Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our ICT book online with computers for grade 7. This is your contents page in which different units name and their topics are mentioned, like our first unit is computer software. This is our first unit, computer software. What are the objectives of learning this software? At the end of this unit we will learn what is computer software, what are the types of computer system software, what are the function of operating system, what are programming languages, language processors, application software, customized software. First, they define the computer software. What is computer software? Computer software is a collection of computer programs that provides the instructions for a computer on what to do and how to do. If you want to type any document, if you want to write the paragraph, if you want to edit anything, you use the MS Word. According to your need, you select the software. Software is used to control the operation of the computer. There are two types of software: system software, application software. In system software, Windows, and utility programs like you can say disk cleaner and different types of Windows and Unix, Linux, that are the system software. And what are the application software? MS Word, MS Access, Excel, and VLC media player. There are different types of application software which we use. Both the system software and application software are the computer software. Both the system software and application software are computer softwares. In our next video we will learn what are the system software and the application software. Thank you so much.